Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable parental control on Xiaomi Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the other Redmi phones. And if you want to enable parental controls for some apps like TikTok or I don't know, maybe Revolut, you can do it. For that, you need to go on your phone to settings and here tap on additional settings, swipe and tap on parental controls. And here to enable, tap on turn on, and you need to set a pin, password or pattern. I will set a pattern and again, and now tap next. From here you can add an email in case you forgot your password and you need to reset. I will set up later, so I will tap not now. And from here you need to select the apps that you want to protect. All are checked, so I will uncheck only the apps which are allowed for the kids. For example, I will uncheck Spotify, this game, and I don't know, let's see, photos and YouTube. So the other apps are protected, tap done, and here are the apps protected for the kid, and these apps can use it. Okay, now if you tap on settings, from here you can change password, or you can choose a pin if you want, and also you can add an email. Now if you go back and try to enter again in parental controls, as you can see now we have here a password. Okay, now let's test some apps. So for example, TikTok is protected for kids, and you need to draw this pattern to access it. Also WhatsApp are protected, but Spotify it's unprotected, and the kids can access it, and also this game. So, in my opinion, it's a good feature. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.